What's up everyone, Bryan from ATEN here again. Now, you're probably wondering, which camera can I use with my UC9020? Well, UC9020 can turn your point and shoot, DSLR or action camera into a webcam for live streaming. But there's just a few things you need to make sure of first. Well, your camera has to have an HDMI out port. Now it can be a mini or micro HDMI out port, you just need an adapter. So for example, here I have a Sony RX100 camera. Notice it has a micro HDMI out port, but I have a handy adapter, plug it right in, and we can plug this into the ATEN UC9020. Next, you need to make sure that your camera can output a clean HD stream. What do we mean by that? Well, sometimes cameras display information at the bottom like the time, date, etc., and that will show up on your live stream, and you don't want that, right? So you need to make sure that you can turn that off in the settings. So here we have our trusty Sony RX100. We've got it connected to the display, and you can see all this data on the bottom that we want to get rid of. So let's go into the menu and see if we can turn that off. Here we are in HDMI settings. Now I see info display, it's on. Let's turn it to off, and we have a clean HD stream. Now, if you can't find a camera that can turn it off, well, you can always use our trusty app and crop the image as well. Third, make sure your camera's HDMI output is not HDCP protected. Next, make sure that your camera will stay on during live streaming. Some cameras have an auto shutoff mode that's activated when a camera is inactive for too long. Usually, you can go into the settings and turn this off. Finally, make sure that your camera can be plugged in and charging while you're live streaming. Sometimes live streaming sessions tend to run long, so you want to make sure that the battery doesn't die on you in the middle of a stream. And there you have it. Those are all the requirements your camera needs to meet for you to be a pro with the ATEN UC9020 StreamLIVE HD. That's all for this video. Until next time, happy live streaming, everyone.